What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an image on top of a video in CapCut. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Adding photos to your videos in CapCut allows for many creative possibilities that can potentially elevate your editing skills to the next level. Open up CapCut on your mobile device and tap on the Edit tab located at the lower left corner of your screen. Here, tap on the New Project button. This will open up your phone's library, where you will see all your media items categorized into videos, photos, and live photos. First, choose a video of your liking and tap on the Add button. Once the video opens up in the CapCut editing window, you will see many options at the bottom end of your screen. Here, find and select Overlay. Next, tap on Add Overlay. This will open up your phone's library again. Proceed to the Photos tab and choose any photo of your liking. Tap on Add once you're done. The selected photo will now be overlaid on your video. You can resize it as well as rotate it as per your preferences. There are many other related options such as Split, Blend, and Animation. Proceed to add any required effect. For instance, you can select the animation option and choose one of the many available animations there. Tap on the tick icon once you're done. These effects will be played once you run the video in the CapCut editor window. You can adjust the time when your photo appears as well as the duration for how long it appears on your video by dragging the photo overlay along the sequence and expanding the photo overlay size from any of its signs. Once your video is ready, tap on the arrow located at the upper right corner of your screen, and the CapCut application will start exporting it. Once done, it will prompt you to share it on social media or save it for later use. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.